Deborah, back to you. You say this wall hasn't been built to a proper standard. You say it's dangerous. You say it's going to cost £825 to build a new one. That's fine if you're right, but in order to persuade me of that, you have to prove your case with evidence. So you've got evidence of three things. One, it's going to cost £825 to build a new one. Two, that the wall is structurally unsound. And three, that the wall has not been built to appropriate standard. Correct?
Correct.
Let's have a look. What have you got?
I also got 3 separate estimates from which recommended builders, and with different,
Before we get to the estimate,
yes.
Before we get to how much it's going to cost to replace the wall, the first thing you have to demonstrate to me is that the wall is badly built and unsafe. Now, what I've got here is a bill for £825. Now, the person who provided this quote, where it says, remove old walls due to substandard repair down to grade level, build to existing height. Now, it says due to substandard repair. Is this the only thing you've got from this particular builder which gives me any indication that it's been prepared, that the wall has been built to a poor standard?
Yes,
Did he inspect the wall before he completed this quote?
Yes.
Where do I find on here the fact that the coping stones have been poorly fitted?
They're not fitted, they're loose.
Where do I find on here the fact that there is salt damage which is inappropriate for the age of the bricks? Where do I find that on this document?
I got 3 other estimates from recommended builders, but I've passed them next door. So
next door where?
I gave them to...
That's estimates, that's fine.
Yeah.
Now, the problem that you have is that Neil disputes that this has been a badly built wall. He says it's built perfectly fine. It looks to me, and I'm not an expert, but it looks to me that it's a solid wall. It looks to me that the age of the bricks and the state of the bricks are commensurate with a wall which was maybe 100 years old, and it looks to me that it's probably built to a reasonable standard. And on the one hand, I have simply a quote for £825 from you saying on it that I want to repair this because it's substandard. That could have been what you said to the builder. Could have been inspection after 5 minutes. On the other hand, on balance, when I balance things out, I've got a statement from Neil's brother, who's a qualified builder, saying he, in his professional opinion, thinks it's structurally sound. So you say you've got 3 quotes. This is a 4th.
Yes.
A 4th?
Yeah.
And
because, I mean, that was a couple of years ago, yeah.
Was this roughly the same price? Were they roughly the same price?
There was, well, in fact, I said, listen, I don't want to...
you, please, Deborah, it's important, please. I want you to... I know that you're cross about the wall.
But I didn't want to...
I want you to focus on...
cost them a lot of money.
I want you to focus on the questions I'm asking you, if I may. I've got a 4th quote here of £825.
Yes.
That's quote number 4. And somewhere on it, all it says is what they're going to do.
Yeah.